As I grew older and I started to explore the world around me, I got particularly interested in understanding how people make choices. So that's how my quest of finding a subject which actually deals with both numbers and how people make choices began. That's how the dream of becoming an economist and my aspiration to become an economist was born.
I chose School of Economics and Public Policy because of its strong commitment to blending economic theories with practical policy analysis.
Because the curriculum here is very diverse, it helps me improve my economic skills as well as critical thinking.
We not only focus on the theoretical aspects of economics, but also how to apply it in the real life situations.
A person who always sees a picture in 2D will never be able to take the perspective that a 3D image might exist. Exact work is done by the SoE, the School of Economics here at RVU.
We have a lot of clubs in our college. The club community is vibrant. We have music club, art club, dance club, adventure club, etc. We try to participate in the events organized by the different clubs and we have fun in the campus.
So the RVU University, which is the best platform, they are helping us to crack how we can go through the PhD and we can clear the Indian Economic Service.